today's helpful how-to video is pretty much going to be on changing your coolant in your radiator, not how to flush your system. This is if you maintain your system and you just want to refill with fresh coolant and a freeze for your 7.3, or you just change your thermostat, you got all the old fluid out and you just want to put new in it, because fluid does degrade over time, if you did not know. So the first thing you want to do is pretty much get underneath the truck. If you ain't got your fluid drained, you can help by taking your cap off right here. You can see I done got my system drained, but I'm going to show you anyway how to do it. You can crawl underneath the truck, driver's side of the truck. Once you get under it, right here's the frame, and if you look back through there, and the drain cock is right there, you just twist that and all the old fluid will come pouring out. And make sure you got a drain pan to catch it. Now these trucks hold 29 quarts, I think. They hold 7 to 8 gallons of antifreeze, and it's a 50-50 mix. So yeah, you're gonna need quite a bit. So once you get your fluid drained, yep, hopefully you don't get it all over the place, you want to go and get you a 50-50 mix of, I like the green antifreeze. They do make special diesel antifreezes and stuff like that. You can get the factory diesel antifreeze for it. It's costly, but it's for the 7.3s, and Ford put them in from the factory. But I just go to my local Advance Auto, O'Reilly's, AutoZone, and I pick up a 100% concentrated mix, 4 gallons of it. And usually I do half a gallon of well, I'll show you. So it does hold around 8 gallons, sometimes a little less depending on the yield of your Powerstroke, but around 8 gallons is what I think the normal is. They recommend a 50-50 mix of coolant and distilled water. When in doubt, add all makes and models, antifreeze and coolant. This is the concentrated, because you actually save money when you mix it on your own. It's a 50-50 mix, what this calls for, so we will pretty much add 1 gallon at a time with 1 gallon of distilled water. So pretty well, let's get started. So once you pretty well fill it up to the cold mark with your antifreeze and your distilled water, 50-50 mix, you want to start it and let it go to operating temperature, and that's the cold mark and full mark on your reservoir that I am talking about. And once you get it to operating temperature, you pretty well want to turn it off, let it cool down for a few minutes, and then top off your reservoir again. So let's go ahead and start this up. So it started pretty easy actually today. RPM gauge is still not working. We need to tackle that, but I'm trying to see if my temp pan actually works. That's the whole reason I'm on this endeavor and mission, and trying to get heat in this thing. And we need to tackle the oil pressure, but it started up good. It's running a little rough, but I got a fuel bowl leak and it's losing prime, so we got to tackle that in upcoming videos too. So let's let it warm up, guys. The temp pan's at normal. We got nice hot heat. Now idling, if you're gonna idle your truck, it's not pretty much good on these supposed to idle for a long time, because these sons of guns is so efficient at cooling that it takes forever to get one of these at operation temperature if you idle. So if your truck's able, actually take it for a short drive and take your water and antifreeze with you and top it off at maybe a parking lot or somewhere. Or just take it down the road and back and get it up to operating temperature, then refill it up. It's usually safer and more quicker too. Right there, the hose nice and warm. That's a good sign. So now the thermostat's opened up, quart reservoir should have sucked all the water out that we were filled up on cold that run in and filled the rest of the motor up and everything. So next you want to do is shut this off and let it cool off 20 or 30 minutes. So once you let your engine cool down, you want to take your cap back off and top it back to the full mark, and it should be on cold. You know, it says it full when cold right here. It should be up to that level. Now, once you get that, you can pretty well drive it anywhere you want to. It should be topped off. It should be good. And you should have hot heat. And it should be running way better. As for the 205 thermostat we put in it, did it help? Well, this engine on this 7.3 has always been running cold, no matter what you did. And did the 205 input? Yes. The response time is better. It seems to have more power. It does a lot better if you run a thermostat. And this 205 one seems to be doing great. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop me a like. If you found it useful, let me know in the comment section. And hit that subscribe button, show your support from the channel. Appreciate it if you do, and I'll see you on the next almost daily video. Thank you for watching.